Hello, this is me, Electrocat, and I am playing a Sonic game that I recently downloaded on my phone. It is called Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom. So, I'm actually a pretty big fan of Sonic Boom, considering it's a pretty popular TV show, even though the games weren't exactly too popular. But honestly, okay, so entering my age. Alright, so I got distracted. So, despite like the opinion about it being hated and stuff, it's obviously still in Google Play stores because I found like a whole bunch of versions. Okay. Haha, I can't do ads offline, you little foot. What? Okay, so I can still play. I just won't receive ads or stuff. Okay, so this looks pretty fun. So what do you do? Oh, you use your finger. Wait, do you tilt? Oh, that's cool. Okay, so it's like stupid Subway Surfer, but it's a whole lot better. Die, faint! Yeah! This is honestly really cool. What? Did I just obliterate everything in my path? Oh, you use some phone tilt stuff. Yeah, let me get some of them Orbis. Okay, honestly, I could get used to this. You know, it's not too hard. It's actually pretty easy to play, considering some of those that like to play Subway Surf. Die, Finks! Yeah! This is honestly... Ow! Cool. Okay, I made it pretty far on my first run. What? I'm below Orbot in Cuba? That's kind of offensive. Considering... Considering Orbot and Cuba aren't exactly the brightest. Oh, look. Alright. Manage team. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get Knuckles. Knuckles was my first buddy. Except for Tails, of course. Oh, Knuckles gets to run with me? Oh. Now I get to play as Knuckles. Okay. Okay, he just turns into a red ball. Okay, Knuckles Slam. Okay. So yeah, I'm honestly adapting to this game very well, considering I played Subway Surfers for a very short time. But this is honestly somewhat similar, but somehow different. Die. Ah, I lost some wings, darn it. Ooh, Junction. Very exclusive stuff. Oh, there's Sonic! Okay. Whilst... Die, fiends. So yeah, like I said, I'm adapting to this pretty well. So guys, please like this video, and other Sonic fans, maybe we could find some common meeting place or something, you know, other than my... I missed. Darn it. Ow. That's not... Ow! That is not fair! Ah, darn. Did I meet the record? Yay! I moved up! Okay, so I'm above Cubot, but I'm still below Orbot. Oh yay! I did it! I did it! I ran 1,250 meters in one run. And I also defeated like 10 enemies. My global score multiplier. Oh, multiplier has increased. Oh, cool. What do we do now? Okay. Tails, there he is. I see a silhouette. Shadow, I think. Yeah, that looks like Shadow right there. Silver prize. Where am I gonna see Silver himself? He's honestly kind of cool. Yeah. Oh man, this goes up pretty far. Here's team. Ah, darn it. I can't get Tails until I'm level 8. And there's Nex. Hey, I want Sonic. I want Sonic to be the lead runner. How do I swap? Oh look, there's Shadow. It sticks. Oh, it's just a loop. Endless loop. Don't remember who that one is. Let me know in the comments, please. If you know who he is, please tell me, because I honestly don't remember. And if you guys don't tell me within today, then I will be sure to look it up and then tell you in the next video. I want Sonic to be a lead runner. How do I switch? Honestly, Sonic looks kind of short compared to Knuckles. But in other versions, Knuckles is as tall as, if not slightly shorter than Sonic. Especially in the movie. The second Sonic movie. So yeah, it is 10:14 right now. Alright, so I guess that's all about this video right now. Bye guys.